How long is this show?
Hey everyone, it's your dear friend Maxine. The doors to the theater are open.
Now they're just sending us here. I will get them.
Looks like the game's just about ready. So now's the time we remind you there's no eating,
Drinking or smoking allowed in the theater.
and you can take all the photos and video you'd like. Just please, no flash photography or video lighting. We've already got Rufus on spotlight.
Do we? Rufus, wake up! Oh.
Over here.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody, now we're ready to start. Give us a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original country band musical Jamboree, featuring a wild and woolly assortment of grizzled grizzlies singing a little country, a little western, and a whole lot of everything in between. So get those paws tapping and those claws clapping for five bears who need no introduction, but I'll give them one anyway. Let's hear it for the Five Bear Rocks! Hit it, boys! It's a country band musical jamboree. Knees slapping, toe tapping, jubilee. Coming early.
Playing late, no time to even hibernate.
After all our years together, I can still barely wait for the country band musical jamboree. Settle in, bring all your friends. We'll do even more come again. We got some fancy prancing and some fair square dancing.
Most fun I had since I crawled out of the den.
It's our country band musical jamboree.
They still sound pretty good.
And now, sweeter than a hive full of honey, it's our very own Trixie and the talented trio, Bunny, Bubbles, and Beulah. Or is it Beulah, Bunny, and Bubbles? Well, any way you count it, they're triple the fun.
I always wanted to try tap dancing.
Might have missed the window on that one.
Okay, boys, now why don't we try something a little different? How about a love song, man?
Have you seen her? Sit there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why. You're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Everybody now.
fish in the sea.
Fish? You're making me hungry. Not me. I'm stuffed.
Okay now, our next performer used to play with the mineral cage, but he's here now. A furry firestorm of fiddling Floridian fury. Take it away, Ernest.
Where'd he come from?
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, now when did you last let your heart decide?
I can open your eyes, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under. Honey, magic carpet ride, a whole new world,
A dazzling place I never knew.
but when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
And now I'm in a whole new world with you.
Y'all swing by and see me sometime.
I would, but I'm scared of heights.
And I'm scared of swings.
You know, it might surprise you to learn that our next performer is still an eligible bachelor.
Is it the clumpy way he walks?
Or the grumpy way he talks.
Or the pear-shaped, square-shaped weirdness of his feet.
And though we know he washes well,
He always ends up sort of smelly.
But you'll never meet a fella who's as slick as a sweet. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper, that's what it's all about. Raise us up and round us out. Everyone's a bit of a fixer-upper when push comes to shove. The only fixer-upper that makes a fixer-upper is true. Love.
Remember me.
Oh, I had to say goodbye. Remember me. Just don't let it make you cry. Too sad. I can't go home.
Poor guy.
Poor curtains.
Well, folks, I'd say that's a rendition we'll remember for a long time. Now, how about we do one of my favorites? You got a friend in me.
You got a friend in me.
Hi, Sammy. You got problems.
I got it too.
There isn't anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it through, 'cause you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.
Aw, say, Henry, why don't we invite all our friends out there to join us for the finale?
Great idea, Sammy. Hey, gang, hit it! folks, this concludes our show. As you can see, we're still barely keeping it together. Now gather up all your bare necessities and exit out the doors on your right. What do you say, Sammy?
I